Hello. So this is the very first video of a number of ones that I'm making that will serve for the purpose of being the tutorials for how to use PyPDFForm. For those unfamiliar, PyPDFForm is a Python library that I wrote and continue to maintain that specializes in manipulating PDF forms. In this first video, I will be showcasing a very minimum example that will show you how you can use PyPDFForm to fill a PDF form with ease. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first show how you can install PyPDFForm, and that's very simple because it's just another Python package. So you can install it using pip or any other package manager in Python. In this case, we're gonna just do it in UV. And again, just like any other Python package, you should always consider either doing it inside a virtual environment or inside a containerized environment. So let's go ahead and create our virtual environment here. And then let's go ahead and activate it. And then we can go ahead and start installing PyPDFForm. And that's it. So right here, you can see that we have installed PyPDFForm with the release of 4.6.0. In future videos, I will make sure that whichever version I'm using to do the showcase or demo of that video, I will be including that in the description of those videos. Okay, so that covers the installation. Let's go ahead and create ourselves a script. And here we're gonna do PyPDFForm import. And the first thing to note is the main user interface that comes with PyPDFForm. And that is a class called PDF wrapper. Okay. Now let's come back to our directory for a bit, very quick. So as you can see, we already have a PDF form named sample-template.pdf in place that I have prepared ahead of time. And I'm currently serving this directory to my port 8000. So you can see sample-template.pdf right here. If I take a look at it in Chrome, you will see that it's a fairly simple PDF form. It has a text field, a checkbox on the first page, more text field and more checkbox on the second page, and so on and so forth on the third page as well. So we will be using this PDF form to show our minimum example. So let's come back to our script. The way you would want to interact with a PDF form that lives on the disk is you just do PDF, let's just create a variable, equals PDF wrapper, that's our class. And the way you instantiate it is you can simply pass the file path of your PDF form to the class in a constructor. And that is it. So right here, we have effectively created a PDF wrapper around this sample template.pdf that lives inside the same directory as our script, right? So once you have created this PDF wrapper class, you can start using different methods offered by the class to interact with this PDF form. And in this case, we will be trying to fill it, right? So the way you would do it is do PDF wrapper.fill. And the argument the fill method takes is a dictionary. Now, what does that mean, right? So a dictionary, right? It has a number of keys and values, right? So the keys of the dictionary that we're about to construct needs to match the unique names that's given to each of these PDF form fields. So this text field has its own unique name, so does this checkbox, so does this text field on the second page, so on and so forth, right? So for now, I already know what each of these fields' unique names are. In the future, we will be showcasing how you can run certain inspection method on this PDF form to know what each of these names are. So basically to know what we need for the keys of this dictionary we're about to construct, right? But for now, I'm just gonna start filling it because I use these names, right? So for this first text field, its name is just simply test. It's a text field, so it takes a string. So let's just give it a random string. Let's just do a name. Let's do my name, so Ben Lee. And then this checkbox on the first page has a key of just check. And then to check it, you just simply do booleans of true, right? Checkbox can be checked or unchecked, so true or false. And then for this second text field on the second page, its name is just test_2. This time, let's just give it a different name. So let's just do John Doe. And then this checkbox on the second page is just called check2. And then we can say just not check it by doing check2 false. But in this case, you can just omit it. Basically, you're just saying, hey, let's just leave it alone, right? So if you don't specify a certain key in your dictionary that you use to fill a PDF form, you're just saying leave it alone, right? And then finally, we have another text field. So let's just go ahead and come back here and then copy that and then replace that with 3. And this time, let's just give it a different string. Let's just do, what does the fox say, right? And then finally, we have another one of these check fields. So let's just do check_3. And this time, I'm gonna check it one more time, right? And then there you go. So that is the dictionary that we're gonna use to fill this PDF form on the right side. And then finally, after you have performed all these actions, you need to write it to a disk file so that we can see it. So we can just do pdf.write, and then I'm just gonna name it output.pdf, and that is it. So let's go ahead and run this. Python main.py. It's gonna run, and then if we come back to our Chrome and hit refresh, and you will see that it did generate another PDF called output.pdf on the disk. And then if we open it, you will see that, let's also bring up our script on the side, that the first text field is filled with my name, Ben Lee. The checkbox has been checked, the first checkbox on first page. And then the second text field on page 2, it is filled with the name John Doe. And then because we left this second checkbox alone, it is never checked, right? And then lastly, we have this third text field. It does say the text, what does the fox say? And then the checkbox has also been checked, right? And so that's it. So that is how you can fill a PDF form with PyPDF form.